As a lot of us agree, our core attraction is tourism. And while we recognize there are a lot of entities, a lot of projects that are stranded over the past several years, one of our key focused area will be to help those companies, those individuals to complete their islands, and that's a major focus area of President Muiz. And while we strengthen the existing tourism entity, Minister of Tourism is here today. He and his team is in the process of completing this very important initiative to support those 63 projects, and by doing that we believe Maldives, at least part of it, we believe Maldives as a destination will have a lot of added room inventory, and that's as part of the key initiative to strengthen the tourism industry. And also we have a very ambitious target laid by His Excellency President Muiz to complete the international airport by this year, and Managing Director of MSCL is also among the crowd. He's here, and he and his team is working tirelessly day and night to complete this project. So by doing that, we can open up space and link up with more scheduled and charter flights from across the world. And as we speak, fortunately, after the successful state visit of His Excellency President Muiz to China, I think a couple of weeks since then, tomorrow, I'm told by Minister of Tourism, we will have the third flight linking up to the Maldives from China. So that shows our efforts to see a growing trajectory. And I think 3-4 days ago, we had 10,000 arrival per single day, and that's a record.